has come for us to all enjoy the rhythm of this sound. No matter where you're from or where you're going, we will take you to a place where music is loved, and we love the music. No matter what age, color, or gender you are, we just want you to gather around and enjoy these sweet sounds. Let us take you to some places where you see smiles on faces, beautiful people all over the world, all types of different races. So if you with me, party people, and you still don't have a clue, put those hands to the sky because you know what to do.